PhD techies. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Today I have written the Kaushalam assessment and I want to share my experience with you. Actually, my exam was scheduled on December 5th, but due to server error, I could not attempt it on that day. So today I got another opportunity that the exam has been rescheduled today, that is December 15th. So I felt thankful for it, and I prepared a little bit on aptitude reasoning and little bit technical questions and the basic coding and all, but I expected most questions will come in a easy to medium level on aptitude reasoning and the technical questions. However, this assessment mainly focused on my certifications and project works, so the questions were related to my project works, the code. They have asked to write the code from the project work, so this made me we have to learn code also. Whatever the question asked, we have to write, that's it, no? So I got a lot of questions like that. So the experience helped me very nice, and it was valuable learning experience to me, and helped me to gain some knowledge by writing this exam. So now I want to share you the actual questions that came in aptitude and psychometric and technical rounds during the Kaushalam assessment. So these questions will be very clear. This will give a clear idea to you so about the exam pattern, and it will help you prepare better. So try to learn everything, and not only the basic aptitude and reasoning questions, you have to thoroughly you have to learn. And in communication test, I got questions on only based on location. So means favorite places, the questions came on that. So, and they asked about tell me about your previous experience on visiting a place, or you want to visit the place like cities, beaches, or mountains. So like that they have asked. The three questions are related to the places only. So I told betterly, and I want to share you the actual questions asked in Kaushalam assessment. I'll show you. This is today's assessment on aptitude and reasoning. I got little on aptitude arithmetic topics, and also 2 or 3 I got from reasoning. So this is under aptitude. This is technical round. See, I got from project works. I did in my 3rd year of my BTech. I have little knowledge on that. I did not revised the topics and codes what I attempted. So I got for this 100%. I got 100%. And see, for this just if I keep open CV, I get 100%, but I written code here. For this also, if I keep as attendance underscore count, I'll get 100%. Because of this I got 70%. I'm taking here also. I want to just if I keep QR code, it's completed, but For this I got 70%. So this is the test today happened. So this is the test on December 5th happened. This is not under my subject, so the questions came from this. These are aptitude questions on December 5th assessment. So that's it about Kaushalam assessment. The experience is very nice. So this is very helpful for you and those who are writing for upcoming Kaushalam assessments. All the best and prepare well. So finally what I want to say is, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel Divyasri Techies. Thank you so much.